Good afternoon and welcome to Market Club's 1 p.m. update for Friday, June 3rd, 2011. I'm Susan Jackson filling in for Adam while he is out of town this weekend. So let's start with the Dow. Now the jobs report today showed very little growth in the month of May, and we're definitely seeing that reflected in the stocks and futures markets. So let's take a look at the Dow. Right now, as you can see, we're at a minus 60. And looking at the chart, this is the third day in a row that we are down, and we're really touching the lower levels of the Donchian channels. We're still in a trading range and just kind of waiting to see what happens in the Dow. Taking a look at the S&P 500, we're seeing really similar action in this market, again hitting the lower level of the Donchian channel and also in a trading range. Taking a look at crude oil, we're seeing some interesting action in crude, still trading in the midsection of the Donchian channels, and we're trading down for the day. When I was looking at this a minute ago, we were in the 90s, but it looks like we have gone back up to 100. So it'll be interesting to kind of see where this market ends at the end of today. Taking a look at silver, not looking so great for silver. We have a minus 60. Trading down again today. And if you take a look down at the percent R, the Williams percent R, we are heading down towards that oversold mode, but again we're in a sidelines position at a minus 60, and therefore we're still in a wait and see mode to see what happens with this market. Now on the flip side, we have the gold market, which is really, they were kind of neck and neck for a while there. Now we're really seeing gold pull away from silver and silver heading downward. But so taking a look at gold, we are hitting the top of the Donchian channels in this market. So you can see we're also above the line on the Williams percent R. We're showing a little near-term weakness, but overall still a really strong trend. You can see over here, we're still at a plus 85 in the gold market. So gold so far still looking good, still heading up. I believe there's a daily trade triangle, like I said, that's showing a little near-term weakness, but nothing to get worried about. Taking a look at the dollar is not faring well at all. And it looks like I lost my dollar index on here. So I'm just going to try and add that in here. Oops. Well, I won't worry about it. But the dollar index, not looking so great. Really, it's at a minus 100, which the trade triangles, in Market Club's trade triangles, that is the most a downtrend can be, is at a minus 100. Things are not looking good for the greenback. We'll just have to see how that one goes. NASDAQ, seeing a lot of volatility. It's trading all over the Donchian channels in between. And we're in an upward long-term trend. Let's take a look at, we're taking a look at the year here. You can see the monthly was way back in September, and we have continually been going up. We're at a minus 70 right now, but that long-term trend is still up. We are trading at the bottom of the Donchian channels in this market as well, but it may